Get up, get loud, old school rock and roll. We'll get you out of that fast, get you out of this hole. Get up, get loud, old school and new school. It's a revival, it's survival of the schools. It's an old style, it's a lifestyle, it's for people who need one. It's an old style, it's a lifestyle, it's for people who need more. It's close to extinction, it's suffering bad because of snobby people. Because of 12-step fads, but it learns and learns and yearns and yearns and yearns and burns and burns and holds on. Held everything up so long. It's ungrounded, it's you're grounded, it's you're stuck in the middle. It's an old rule, it's for young fools. It's an excuse, it's an adventure. We're still here, we're still breathing, we're still listening, we're still in need. We're still here, we're still breathing. Lyricals East Maxwell still in need. In need. We're still here, we're still breathing. Lyricals East Maxwell still in need.